Michael Flood here with MDOT Public Affairs. It is Wednesday morning, November 22nd, the day before Thanksgiving. I'm out here at the State Route 18 over Dabbs Creek Bridge Replacement Project. I'm here with District Engineer Neil Patterson. Neil, thanks for being here today with us. And can you tell us what's going on behind us here on the bridge?
So we're doing the final striping right now in anticipation of hopefully opening the road later today.
That is great news. I know a lot of people are going to be happy to hear that if we can get it open before the Thanksgiving weekend. Can you tell us about what kind of factors led into us getting it open this early? I know it was a later on completion date. So.
Yeah, so we were scheduled to have it open before Christmas, but contractors been working very hard, and the good Lord blessed us with some great weather for construction the last couple of months with the drought. It's really been conducive for construction, so they've done a really good job.
Okay, and everyone's done a great job using the detours. We appreciate everyone's patience.
Yes, absolutely and that. We were utilizing those off-site detours. We were able to save a lot of money, approximately $3 million by not doing that, and it also sped up the overall construction of the project because we didn't have to build a detour and then tear that out and everything. So we will be complete with this project. They got just a few minor things. There may be some people out here working, but shouldn't be any impacts to traffic.
Okay, you heard it from Neil. So although they're going to hope to open this roadway up today, they still will be doing some final punch list items out here. So keep an eye out for our road workers here. Neil, is there any other message you have for everyone traveling this weekend?
I would just say, as always, just don't drive distracted. Pay attention out on the roads. We have a lot of workers that are out on the roads, and not only that, but just people traveling. Just stay off your phones and slow down.
That's right. Thank you, Neil. A very heavily traveled weekend coming up, Thanksgiving weekend. We're going to have a lot of traffic out on the road. As Neil said, more important now than ever to put the phone down. Don't drive distracted. Have a passenger check that text and respond for you. We appreciate you guys tuning in, and happy Thanksgiving.